In this video, I'm going to show you how to grow aloe vera in a bucket. This method is perfect for growing aloe vera in small spaces or for those who don't have a garden. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a bucket. You can use any type of bucket, but I recommend using one that's at least 12 inches wide and deep. This will give the roots plenty of room to spread out. You'll also want to make sure that the bucket has good drainage holes at the bottom. If it doesn't, you can use a drill to make some holes. The last thing you want is for the soil to get soggy and for the roots to end up burning. The next thing you need is soil. Aloe hates wet feet, so you'll want to use a soil that drains well. A cactus or succulent potting mix works well, but if you can't find one, you can mix regular potting soil with sand or perlite. Now let's plant the aloe. Start by placing a small layer of gravel or stones at the bottom of the bucket. This will help with drainage. Next, fill the bucket with soil, leaving enough space for the plant. Gently place the aloe vera in the center and cover the roots with soil. Make sure not to bury the leaves. Now let's put it in a spot that gets bright, indirect sunlight. Aloe vera loves a lot of light, so you'll want to place the bucket where it gets about 6 to 8 hours of light daily. A sunny window or a porch would be a good spot. When it comes to watering, aloe vera prefers to dry up between waterings. So only water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. In the warm months, you may need to water every 2 to 3 weeks. In the winter, you can water even less. Just make sure the soil isn't soggy. Now let's talk care. Aloe vera is a low-maintenance plant, but there are a few things you can do to keep it looking its best. Rotate the bucket every few weeks so that all sides get sunlight evenly. Check the leaves occasionally and remove any that are dead or damaged. At the base of the plant, if the aloe vera outgrows its bucket or produces lots of pups, which are the baby plants, it's time to repot. And there you have it. With just a little care, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of aloe vera for years to come. And if you live in a cold climate, just bring the bucket indoors during the winter. Aloe vera is not frost tolerant. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.